Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage default comment sort on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings, and now here you will find it here, default comment sort. Just click on it and here you can manage it, and that's it. That's how to manage default comment sort as you want, and on your account on Reddit, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.